Hey guys, it's David from Trail Adventures USA, and today we're going to talk about Off-Grid Trailers Expedition 2.0. Now recently, Mountain Hatch had an open house, and Randy from Lead Dog Motorsports brought down the Expedition 2.0. And I have to tell you, this is one of the best build trailers for off-road adventures that I have found for the price. Now the price on this trailer ranges between $26 to $32 depending on how it's optioned. The one that you're seeing here is right around the $30,000 mark. Now, this trailer comes with an abundance of room and features for anyone that wants to go on an off-road expedition. It has built-in heating and hot water tanks, propane, and of course, the rear of it is outfitted so that you can design how you want the shelves to be installed, so this way it better utilizes the space for your needs. Now, it also has independent suspension, propane stove, and water on board, so when you pull up to your campsite, within about 4 or 5 minutes you are ready to go. So we're going to have our interview now with Randy and let him take over and tell us a little bit more about the trailer.
You guys, earlier in the year before COVID broke out, we went to the Off-Road Adventure Expo, and I did a video. I'll put a link here in the upper corner. And the one trailer I didn't get to see that day was this one, and this is the one I actually went there to interview. And I think it was you who may have left a comment like, "Oh, you missed our trailer," and I was like, "Brother, I know I missed it." And we had got to their booth. It was probably about 5 or 6 o'clock, and it was the end of the day.
It was the end of the day when we were all locking up.
And we've been talking back and forth. I love following these guys on Instagram because I do believe in this product as far as an adventure trailer. I think you guys have a great combination, and you're satisfying one thing that some of us don't like to do, and that is setup. They have solved the problem of setup. You want to go to your camp and you want to cook in just a matter of moments and go to bed and not have to take a tarp off. You know, you want to just go to bed.
Just crawl in and go to bed. That's the easiest part about it.
And you're safe. You can lock these doors. People always say they want to be on a rooftop tent because of safety. There's nothing more safe for you and your loved one than inside a very secure trailer like this. Now, tell them how they can reach you, Randy.
So I'm Randy with Lead Dog Motorsports. I'm in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. Typically I'm online at Lead Dog Motorsports or Doghouse Trailers, and pretty much I market for off-grid trailers and hiker trailers and a few others all across the board.
And so he's in Lake Havasu. He's even invited us up to look at trailers. If you guys reach out to Randy on Instagram or even through leaddogmotorsports.com, he's happy to have you guys come out and get a close look at this. Now, I've taken a lot of videos of the trailer so far, but run through some of the basics that make this so special.
So I guess the best thing about this trailer is the all aluminum build. We have no wood, no composites, nothing to really rot, nothing to go away. The trailer is designed to last for a long time. It's not going to go anywhere. It's a one-piece aluminum roof all the way through. There's no chance of it leaking. Everything about the trailer is designed for long-term use and long wear.
Yeah, this is not a box, guys. I want you to understand that. This is not just a box set on a trailer like we've been seeing a lot of these startups. This is well-designed, well-engineered, and this thing doesn't rack. Like a lot of wood trailers, over time they'll rack.
Some of them will, yeah, and they come apart.
This thing here has massive channels. It's all aluminum, and I'll tell you what, this is a well-designed unit.
Everything's set in nut zerts. Everything's Loctited. The entire trailer, every screw you see is in a nut zert. Everything has a purpose. Everything's designed around what it's supposed to do.
Right. Now, you were saying that in the later model 20, this is early 2020, guys, so there's a little bit of difference. Early 2020 had the smaller door. The later model 2020 goes all the way up to the 45-degree angle, comes across, so it gives you a little more headroom moving in and out as you're crawling in, which is, once again, another great option, especially for someone like you, because you told me that this comes with a 4-inch mattress.
Standard.
And you went with a 6-inch just for more comfort. Not
Correct.
that the 4-inch is bad, but you're a side sleeper and you like the extra comfort.
Yep.
But with that extra mattress height, having that extra space here is ideal.
That's ideal.
Yeah.
And the best part about it is this is what we call a challenger door in the market. Everybody in the market uses this door. It is a hollow core door, smaller window. It's weak. It's got its weak points. They work really good for what they're supposed to do. Everyone uses it, but we've now designed our own door because of COVID and because of our build quality. We engineer our own door in-house. It's got a positive deadbolt latch.
Nice.
That is a solid locking mechanism. and it's a little larger. We can go bigger window and make the door last.
Yeah, there's no reason to use someone else's stuff if
No.
that's all they got and you need something better.
Yep.
Now, you said your door, does it have a window?
Yes.
It does?
Larger
And
window.
with a screen?
Yep.
Okay. And the privacy shade is extra, you said?
Yeah, correct.
So
Not everybody requires them. Some people, depending on where you stay, if you stop at a Walmart, you'll want privacy shades. Me, when I'm out in the open and in the outback, I don't want shades. I want to be able to see what's coming up or what's outside.
Right. Okay. And tell us a little bit now. Your trailer is one of the only ones that I know of that actually comes with its own rack assembly
Built in.
and that saves a buyer at least $1,000
Yep.
if they were having to buy a rack and then assemble it and then drill
Correct.
holes. This is all designed into it, right?
Correct.
What's the live load and dead load of this rack?
We've had 6 guys standing on top of this trailer and not worried about it one bit.
So dead load, 6 guys,
You
1,200
could-
pounds.
You can put 1,200 pounds up there and not affect it.
Okay, cool.
You don't want to go down the road racking 1,200 pounds up there and having it all over the place. Rooftop tents, you could stack 2 of them up there if you wanted
Wow.
to. The roof will take it.
Now, guys, look at this as another unique feature. Diamond plate steel, all
Aluminum.
Yeah, aluminum, and it's all bent, CNC bent, right?
Yep.
And then you got steps that lead right up to the roof. So if you want to talk about convenience, you have that.
400-pound weight rating on each step and a built-in bottle opener in
Yeah,
each one.
I was gonna say built-in bottle opener, and that's really clever. Now these are all powder-coated boxes, right?
Yep, in-house.
Okay, in-house. Now, I know some people are going to say, look, oh, they're just bolting boxes onto the side, blah, 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 blah. But this is their design. They did this for a reason. They do this to save space on the interior. You've got an Insta hot water system. You also have a
Propex.
Propex heater. And is this propane?
Yes.
Okay, so it is propane. So you don't have to worry about carrying diesel. You already got propane on the trailer. You're ready to go.
And the reason we put the Propex in, the trailer prior to this, we had them on the roof. We moved it down into the box for serviceability to make it easier for our customers. And it also has a heat exchange right here. This is the exhaust tube.
Yeah.
So when it's cold outside and you're running your heater, it's going to keep your water heater warm. So this is less chance of freezing. This box has a warmer inside of it, so it won't freeze and it keeps a little warmth in there.
Very good. Now, the exterior lights that are on this trailer, they are LED?
Yes.
All LED
All
technology.
LED.
Now, these are positive latches, positive close. So these are also adjustable. So in case the seals do tend to, and they
Soften
all
up.
do, they soften up.
These are actually emergency vehicle latches.
Yeah.
We over-engineered them and had to have the best. So we went with a positive locking that pulls in the door as it closes.
Yeah. The other thing, guys, is they all have locks. So you don't have to worry about having anything that's unsecure on the outside of your trailer. Once again, a great build. Randy, I'm going to add a bunch more details to this video, but we do have the shower, what is this?
23.0.
23.0 shower and privacy thing there. So once again, for the ladies who watch our channel, we know there's a lot of you out there, you got your privacy. You can have your little potty there, you can have your shower, and you got some privacy. All in all, Randy, I'm super excited about this product, and I know that we're going to be coming out to Lake Havasu one day real soon, picking one of these up. Now listen, guys, there is a little bit of lag time or lead time right now with the trailer itself, 3 to 4 months. We hope that after all this is over, that lead time gets cut in half or even better.
We have capability of making it better, and we should be making it better. But with COVID right now, we are put out on our production freeze.
Right.
So it will be a faster.
So just expect that, but have patience. And if this is something you want, you got to get your name in now, because many of us are ordering, and it's just going to put you further behind the 8 ball,
Yep,
right?
yep, exactly.
Okay. Now this trailer is made in Canada. It's imported into the United States. How is registration handled? Is that through bill of lading or?
Sales tax and registration is done in your hometown. So when you pay for the trailer, there's no deposit, no down payment needed. Once the trailer is ready to go into production, you will satisfy the note, either your own personal financing or in-house financing, or write a check for it, and then you will pay your sales tax and everything once you get it home.
Okay.
So it's an easy over-the-border scenario. When you come to Havasu and pick it up, we will talk about the trailer, we'll walk around it, I'm going to hand you paperwork, you can free to go on your own. It's done. It's that easy.
Yeah. Well, once again, this is definitely on our top list of trailers. I can definitely see why. Randy came in from Lake Havasu here to Southern California. They even spent the night in their trailer last night. How much did you save on hotel costs? 160 bucks?
Oh yeah, at least.
So if you guys are using your trailer once or twice or 3 times a month, it's going to pay for itself.
Yep,
no
correct.
doubt. Yeah. Cool. All right, guys. Well, stay tuned. We're going to be a lot more.
Thanks for watching, guys. We truly appreciate all of your support. Please like, subscribe, and share. And once again, if you're looking for a great adventure trailer, make sure that you look into Off Grid's Expedition 2.0. It's certainly a winner in my book. Once again, thanks for watching.